Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about University of Galway scholarships for international students for academic year 2024-2025. University of Galway is committed to attracting high caliber students from around the world. To this end, we offer a range of merit-based scholarship to students from a number of outside the EU countries in line with other strategies international priorities for application for international students commencing study at University of Galway. There are number of different scholarships offered. Okay, so these are the scholarships. You can take a look here for different categories. For example, global achievement scholarship for undergraduate. Okay, University of Galway is delighted to offer global achievement scholarship to eligible applicants from providing €2,000 in tuition fee in their first year of undergraduate studies. There is no need to apply separately for this scholarship, so you don't need to apply for separately to that scholarship. You just need to apply for the admission to qualify for this scholarship. Applicant successful candidate must be assessed and international for fee purposes and self-funded, not receiving fund from any other external sources, and met the condition outlined in the full-time undergraduate course. Secured a place in full-time study accepted your offer by Wednesday on May 2024. So this scholarship is for international undergraduate students. Business sports graduate merit scholarship. You can take a look here. How much is the coverage? Who is eligible for the scholarship and all the details. Which in which programs this scholarship available. And now we'll talk about College of Science and Engineering. Excellent and merit scholarship suit for science and engineering. For international applicants, several excellent scholarships are available from €10,000 and merit-based scholarships available to 7,640. Scholarship will be awarded on highly competitive basis. All applicants have been considered for review team, and only successful applicant will be notified directly by email. And there are for the details. School of Computer Science, two excellent scholarships. So all the details are available here. You can take a look. And similarly, you can take a look here in College of Art and Social Science, Shannon College of Hotel Management, Hardiman Scholarship visiting students. If you are a visiting student, there are scholarship available here as well. Apply for fund education abroad. Yeah, and other external funding sources for international students. Irish Fulbright Commission, Government of Ireland, George Mitchell Scholarship, European Union, Wellcome Trust, Irish Research Council. So these are different programs available which are not in that specific university, but they are external scholarships, and you can still apply for that scholarship, and then you can get admission in University of Galway. If you will have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. I wish you best of luck. Stay happy and healthy. Take care. Bye bye.